What's up, everybody? This is Sandy Bean, VP of Rain H2O. And as most of you guys know already, I've actually partnered with a water filtration company, Alkaline water, hydration water. And the reason I did that is because toxic tap water made me do it. Guys, one of the things that most people don't know is that it's very, very dangerous to drink water from the tap water. It's very dangerous to actually wash your food off, with tap water, because most people are under the impression that when you rinse off your vegetables, when you rinse off your fruit, when you're washing up your rice and your meats, guys, you're not rinsing it off. The actual food is absorbing all the chloramine, chlorine, bacteria, lead, viruses, all that stuff that's going from the pipe down the drain is now going into your food, it's absorbing it, guys, and then it's going to you and your family's bodies, right? What I want you to understand is this water tastes amazing, extremely affordable, and this is what I now make my coffee with. This is what I drink on a regular basis, guys, and this is what my family drinks. More importantly, I even give it to my dog. My dog even drinks alkaline water now. And so when you look at what we're doing here today, guys, we're just making a public announcement that you should go and figure out what's in your water. There are websites that I'll have listed below that'll show you all the contaminants that's in your water, and it's by zip code. So when you put your zip code in, you'll be able to see what you're actually drinking, what you're washing your food off with, and what your family's consuming. So with that, guys, for more information on Rain H2O and our alkaline water, and how you can actually put yourself in a position where you don't have to worry about drinking and using contaminated water again, just reach out to me and we can have that conversation. So welcome to Rain H2O and welcome to High Quality H2O.